So this is part two. I put this thing in here. Basically it's a locking plier chain and it actually works. You put it in there, basically it's the last teeth you can find in there. So you got better, the last tooth, and then you put it right here so it gets stuck right there. Right there, and then you have to go that way to get it loose. It was a little hard, but I basically hit it with a small sledgehammer to the side, and boom, it came off. I was maybe about a day or two trying to take the stupid fan clutch off and finally did it. Now I have to remove some of the plastic, I think the bottom one, to kind of give it room to pull this out and install the new one. So this beats all the other stuff. It gets the job done pretty easy actually, once you figure out how to use it. And pretty much, watch this. I'm gonna take this out of the way. Now, oh, there it goes. Easy that was. So this is what you need for the Dodge Ram 4th generation.